Hi guys, my name is Roland and I'm a creator of a very small YouTube channel. And on my channel everything is about DIY battery systems and solar systems, etc. In this video I want to tell you an experience which I just had here with YouTube. All my viewers for sure also are looking a lot of different channels, and one of the most popular, or maybe it is even the most popular in this segment, is Will Prowse's YouTube channel, and he's also showing how to make battery systems, solar systems for years there already. Of course I only have a few hundred followers, but he has almost 1 million. Size of course makes channels vulnerable to scams, and today I want to show you an example what I have just experienced. Maybe you also know this already, or you never heard about it, but it's for sure good if you know that these sort of things exist, and that you of course also know not to react on these sort of messages, which I will show you now. But of course I saw it and I have followed the instructions which I got from these messages, and I will show you in detail how these sort of scam attacks are working and what you should not do, because otherwise you are going to lose money. Right, so let's go into the details. I will show you exactly how this went.
Right, so this is how this story started. From time to time I'm watching Will's videos, of course, and sometimes I also leave a comment below one of these videos, and this is about a video which he released about 2 or 3 months ago. And today I got a notification that I received an answer to my comment. So I opened and I found this. So an account with Will's picture, and next to it a phone number, obviously. They're telling me, congratulations, you won. Hit me up for interaction on claiming prize. So this I of course then did. I entered the phone number into my WhatsApp account and I introduced myself. They wrote back, hello, welcome to our official YouTube giveaway platform. So I'm probably not speaking directly with Will, but that's okay. And I'm asking them what their plan is, and they ask me to send them a screenshot of the comment so that they can confirm my claim here. What I did, so they told me again, congratulations, you won. You're among our shortlisted winners. Thank you for watching the channel. Blah 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 blah. So they're not saying anything yet what I have won. So they asked me to tell them the name again, where I'm writing from. I do that. How long am I a subscriber on this channel already? So it's a chit chat going back and forth a little bit to build up some trust in between the two parties here. And then they asked me to write the personal information, so they want my full name, phone number and address. And now I kind of reply with a little bit skeptical message, so telling them I usually don't give away my personal information online that easy. So they did not tell me what this all is about. I actually already saying, is this maybe a scam? And I'm asking that Will is writing another message which is verified account underneath that message which they sent before, so that I know that this is really legit. The answer to this was kind of straightforward, and they say, hey man, this is a giveaway platform. You are the winner of a 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. Congratulations. So then I thought, okay, let's send the address, and you know, what is the worst thing? They could maybe book a room at my property and come for holidays. So then they wrote, hold on a minute, and answered, okay, we have verified you, your Gmail address is correct, etc. Which I thought, I never gave them my email address, Gmail address, so how can they verify this? But okay. And the next what they did was sending me a list of prices for international shipping. So they want me to pay for shipping, and then they will send the item. So pricing around 140 to 160 US dollars for shipping a battery from USA to Thailand. I should make a choice, and at that point, of course, I already know this type of scam. You have to pay money for shipping, and then you will of course never receive anything, and the money is gone. So my final words have been, yeah, keep it, give it to someone in the United States, thank you. And then I have blocked these numbers so that the messages would end. So as you saw, this was the so-called YouTube giveaway scam. The first time that I saw it, and usually the target would be much more popular channels, but Will's channel already has the numbers which make it interesting, as it seems like, for this kind of people to attack. Of course, everybody would like to be a winner of a 12 volt LFP battery. Yeah, but in my case, normally I never win anything, so this was suspicious to me from the first moment anyways. Yeah, so keep your eyes open. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment if you also have seen this once in your YouTube life already, or if it is something new to you. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you next time.